Welcome. In front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Pro, and I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off the autocorrection. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down, enter the system, tap on the languages and input, and go for the virtual keyboard. Select the keyboard that you are using and enter the text correction options. And right here we have to find the autocorrection option, and it's right here. And all we have to do is just to tap on the switcher to turn it off, and just click on it one more time and make it on the blue color when you want to activate this function. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!